What's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a Royaltie Gem update. And so hopefully you guys are super excited to learn exactly what Royaltie has going on and what they have to come for the future. Alright, so if you are, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. So let's get right into the updates for today. So guys, as you can already see on the page, it says introducing the brand new landing pages for Royaltie. Now, I talked a little bit about this in my last Royaltie video, but what I didn't talk about is the guaranteed leads. So what is the requirement in order for you to get guaranteed leads every single month for no additional costs, right? Now, if you're not yet a customer of Royaltie, I left a link down below in the description. You can get started there, and once you go over to the website, it will have my phone number on it, as well as pretty much the rest of my contact information, all right? But back to the updates. So now, let me zoom in so you guys can see. I'm going to go to about 150. All right, so here we go. All right, so what I want you guys to focus on is down here in print. So it says monthly leads guaranteed when you create a landing page with Royaltie and use it in your ad. So Royaltie allows us to advertise, right, using the satellites up above, right? So the same technology that tracks you when you're moving on your phone is the same technology that we have when we use to advertise to people's cell phones, tablets, and laptops, right? So when you build one of the landing pages, you use their landing pages to advertise on the ad. They're going to guarantee you leads every single month. Now, you're probably asking, okay, so how are they going to guarantee us leads? Well, this is how it works, guys. So Royaltie has partnered with a search engine, okay? Now, that search engine, based on whatever industry that you're in, they're going to give you guaranteed leads for that specific industry. So if you're in the real estate industry, right, there's going to be certain keywords based around the real estate industry, and those leads that come in, they're going to come from those keywords, right? So it's going to be targeted to your specific niche. So just think about how powerful that is. It's not you just getting random people, right? You're just putting your stuff in an area. Now it's basically targeting specific keywords around whatever niche that you're in. Because if you use their pages, right, their system recognizes what niche that you're in based on your page. So then it shows your ad to people who are searching for those particular keywords in that niche. Think about how powerful that is, guys. Really think about that. So let me just lay out everything as far as like what you're literally getting, guys. Just let me go over here to my notepad. So number one, you're getting guaranteed monthly leads for your industry, unlimited landing pages, unlimited digital business cards. Digital business cards, instead of having a physical business card, what people usually put in their pocket or they throw in the garbage or they leave it in the washer or whatever, right? Now you're able to put it right on people's phones. So, you know, people never leave their phone more than an arm length away from them, right? So all they have to do is they're going to get a reminder when they're looking through their text. You see what I mean? So there's a lot of power in that. Also, minimum of 5,000 real impressions, meaning not bot clicks, real people looking at your business every single month. 5,000 minimum. But guess what? Just because it said 5,000 minimum, you still can get over 5,000, right? It's not going to say like, oh, you're going to get 5,000 exactly. It may go to 5,500. It may go to 6,000. Right? But it's real eyes on your business and targeted eyes at that. All right. And another thing is customer relationship management system. So when you get those leads, they're going to go into your CRM that you have also with Royaltie, and you can literally call those people depending on the number, the information that they give you. If they give you their cell phone, right, that's all going to be in there. They give you their email, right? Or or you want to text them. You can be able to do all of that through the app. So there's a lot of leverage right there. Everything is just literally all in one. So show up on top apps and websites. So I put the top 3 because we show up on all of those. So Google, #1 website in the world. YouTube, #2 website, which you're watching this video on right now. #3 is Facebook, right? #3, those top 3 websites right there is what you're going to be showing up on. It's not only those, there's hundreds more, but I like to look at the top 3, guys. The top 3 are the biggest ones. Yes, we got Forbes, right? That's another website that you're going to get some qualified leads on. We got CNN, right? We got LinkedIn, right? We got all these different top sites that you're going to be able to show up on, all from one platform, guys. One platform. And one ad goes out, and it goes out to all of those different sites. All right, and then that's what you're getting, guys. That's what you're getting with Royaltie. So you're getting this, and you can see it, and you can see it's right on the Royaltie page, right? There isn't any jokes. They're putting it out there that you're going to get guaranteed leads. Now, at the time that I'm recording this video, for where I currently am, it is February 28th, okay? So that means in March is when this is going to happen, okay? March, and March is literally like a day away, all right? So, guys, you pretty much see what it is that you're getting. All this stuff right here. And get this, guys. Get this. You're only paying $77 up front. Okay? Up front. And then guess what? $47 a month for all of this stuff right here, guys. So let's just do something, right? So I have Get Response, right? Now, depending on the amount of subscribers you have, you're going to pay more. Now think about this. Unlimited landing pages, unlimited business cards, traffic to through the ads, a CRM, right? I have a CRM with Get Response on on the new account that I have. I only pay $15 a month, right? But I have a landing page creator as well that I pay $37 a month. So if you do the 37 plus the 15, that's more than $47 a month already right there, right? But you're getting all this for $77 up front, $47 a month, and that's all you have to pay for a minimum of 5,000 impressions, guys. So, guys, to me, it's a no-brainer, you know what I mean? And that's just me being completely honest. But if you see the value in this, I left a link down in the description. It's not a must that you get it, but this is just a valuable product, guys, especially if you're a business owner and you want to grow your business or you want to grow a brand, right? Or if you're, maybe you're like a public figure, right? Or maybe you're like a restaurant, whatever it is. Maybe you have a friend that has a restaurant, or they have like some type of local business. I would definitely share this video with them. Just say, hey, this is something that could probably, help you scale your business. So with that being said, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update. I know I kind of went on a little bit, but you guys got it. And there's more and more updates to come, and I'm going to keep updating you guys. All right. So with that being said, if you did gather something from this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Also, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.